In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can update all your apps at once on iPhone. Updating apps is crucial for maintaining security, fixing bugs, improving performance, adding new features, ensuring compatibility with the latest devices and operating systems, and enhancing the overall user experience. By staying current with app updates, users can safeguard their data, enjoy smoother functionality, access new capabilities, and stay ahead of potential issues, ultimately maximizing the utility and enjoyment derived from their digital tools and services. To do this, simply head into your App Store. On this page, tap right here on your profile icon. On this page, you will see the option of Update All. When you click on the Update All button, all your apps in your phone that need an update will automatically start to update. That's how easy it is to update all your apps at once on iPhone. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as it much helps for the channel's growth. Check out on these other informative tutorials like this one.